As a C-level person, you will spend a lot of time on the dashboards. In this example, this is a dashboard for risk management. You can see there can be various visualizations, graphs, and charts. In this short tutorial, I would like to show you how to customize a dashboard. So you start by clicking on the Customize on the bottom of your dashboard or your homepage. You'll have this view where you have the sections where you can actually put the content. Let's start with the simplest. I will select widget from the list. One of the simplest is the notice board, where you just put any text, save page, and you will get your text on the dashboard. Now let's try something more complex. So again, customize at the bottom of the page, and we will set. We will choose a list view, which is a table. We will choose the entity. Risks for now, it could be tasks or spend time or projects or whatever. Let's say risks grouped by status would be our title. We will only filter the risks where the status is still open. It's not closed. We have these options over here. Great. And let's choose the grouping right here for the status. Okay. We have some columns that are available. We have the columns that we are showing over here. Let's say we are happy with this. Scroll up, save. And we see that we have 2 assessed risks and 6 controlled risks. We can open that. It's grouped. This is the full list. Now, let's do the same, but choose a different output. So customize this page. Select widget from the list. I will select bar chart this time. Choose entity. Let's see the list. All the entities within Easy8. Okay. Let's type in risks. And now we are creating a bar chart. So filters would be actually the same, but we will hit this section, chart options. On x-axis, let's say we want status. On y-axis, let's say we want number of items. Okay, that's it for now. Save and go back. And we see basically the same information. 2 assessed risks over here in a list, corresponding here in a chart, 6 controlled risks here in the chart. And that way you can build whatever dashboards and reports you want.